that's a big one too.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh, is that a white bass? I think that big one was a white bass.
That one right there might have been.
We gotta watch out for that. They got a law on them.
Yeah.
Wanna make sure. Yeah, that's like a white bass, bro. Or is that a white perch? One of them.
Look at it.
I don't think. Yeah, that's like a white bass. Look. Right? We'll figure it out here in a minute. We'll figure it out.